Black Cat Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to candy any nut.
To a cold, dry pan, add a half a cup, 65 grams of any nut of your choosing.
Today I'm using walnuts because my cookie recipe calls for candied walnuts, but you could use pecans, cashews, really any nut that you'd like to candy.
Turn the pan onto medium heat and let it come up to temperature. Once you can start smelling the oils from the nuts, give your pan a shake and let it continue toasting for about 1 minute. To the pan, add 25 grams, 1/8 cup of white sugar, and 13 grams, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Start stirring these together until they're completely combined and you can't tell the difference between white and brown. Then add in half a tablespoon, 7 grams of butter. Let the butter and the sugar start to melt together. Once everything has sort of started clumping together and looks a little bit crumbly, add in 1/8 cup, about 30 milliliters of water, and a pinch of salt.
This recipe is no fail because you don't have to worry about making a caramel. The butter helps to balance out the heat and you get a beautiful crunchy nut at the end of the process.
Make sure your nuts are evenly distributed across the pan and turn up the heat to medium-high. Make sure you're stirring with a wooden or silicone implement. If you use metal, it can cause the sugar to seize up. Continue stirring your nuts until all of the liquid has evaporated and everything has coated the nuts in a beautiful caramel sauce. Then tip your nuts onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper so they can set up. Once completely cooled, your nuts are ready to enjoy or to chop up and add in your favorite bakes.
If you like this recipe, YouTube thinks you're gonna love this one. And if you found it helpful, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell while you're down there because I come out with a new video every week. See you next time.